Hey guys, I'm Apurba from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my video. So we are here at the Oromode training courses. So in this video we are going to see the training courses, which courses and which of the trainings they are provided, and I'm going to show you some bonuses which I pick for this training. So with this training and these bonuses will help you to get more traffic, get more affiliate commission, and you can be a established affiliate marketer. Okay, so let's start the video. And here you can see we are here at the dashboard, and here you can see some steps are there. So here you can see find the right offer, get your auto tool, 10k headline formula. So they will show you what are the attractive headline formulas you can put on your articles, put on your campaigns. Okay, they will show you how to build a proper opt-in page, proper bridge page, and how to capture their email IDs and then follow-ups emails. So they will show you everything about affiliate marketing. So if you are a newbie affiliate marketer or want to be an affiliate marketer, then you can buy this course. So this will for only for newbies. So as you can see here, there they show you unless the Oro Power. So Oro Power is basically they will show you the landing page or the bridge page preparing process. Okay, so after that, here you can see prepared. They will show you three paid traffic formulas. So first is Bing ads. I'll show you here you can see first will Bing ads. After that next one is Instagram, and after that next one is solo ad case studies. Okay, I'm go through all of these videos, and I impressed with this one training, which is Instagram. So they will show you properly how you can generate traffic from influencer marketing or from Instagram. Okay, so and after that, here you can see some free traffic trainings also there. So they will show you how you can use Facebooks or Instagram for free traffics also. And here you can see some make money on autopilot. So in these sections they will show you how you can promote, how to request for products that that you can promote. Okay, and here you can see take action. The best part of this training is they will give you this training to promote, so you can and ask for their affiliate marketing affiliate. So you can take this trainings affiliate link and you can promote this course from others. So you can generate money from here also. So you can take action from here. So this will very beneficial for you, I hope. And here you can see some bonuses, some vendor bonuses are there, or you can upgrade if you want to upgrade this training. You can upgrade it. I will show you the prices later. So this is basically a course, and let's see the bonuses which I pick for you. Okay, so this is the bonus page. You will find this bonus page link in the description. The first link will be this bonus page link. So here you can see my first bonus is the warrior marketer. In this course you will learn how to build your toughness, build a physical fitness to truly be a successful marketer. Okay, so next one is 6 essential plugins for build a website. So if you want to be an affiliate marketer, then you definitely need a domain, a website for you. Okay, so I am giving you all the essential plugins which you need to build a website. Okay, so as you can see, Avatar Pro is a premium theme for your website. Elementor Pro is a page builder. I hope you know that. Next one is a Tutor LMS Pro, WP Form Pro. WP Form is basically a contact us form. Okay, next one is WP Rocket Pro, which is a catch plugin, which is best catch plugin in the market right now. Next one is Yoast SEO Premium. This is a SEO plugin you can use. Everyone can use Yoast or Rank Math, and I am preferring Yoast SEO over Rank Math. Okay, next one is 5 secrets to finding your niche. So if you want to build an affiliate marketer lifestyle, you need to choose a niche. So this course will be helping you to find your best niche according the market, according your interest. Okay, next one is how to use social network to build a list. So if for affiliate marketers, your first priority is building a list. So this course will be helping you to build a list from various social media platforms, various free method. So in this course, in this training course also, you get a free traffic training, and this will also helping you to build a list. Okay, so and all the vendor bonuses you get, exclusively all the vendor bonuses you get here, so in the dashboard sections. Okay, so you need to click on these buttons to redirect it to the sales page, and the sales pages look like this. So after buying this training, you will redirect it to this Warrior Plus thank you page, and after that you need to click on this blue button to get all of my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses also. So you can mail me here, if you find any kind of bonus is missing or any kind of problem you find in this training or in this bonuses. So I'm here for helping you. Okay, so let's see the sales page. So here you can see world's most beginner friendly buyer traffic and recurring commission system. So as you can see, 100% beginner friendly 3-in-1 buyer traffic on demand in any niche, easy recurring commission, unique ultra low competition model, no YouTube email list social media experience or product creation needed, take just 20 minutes per day, stacked with proof, real users making money in their first hours. Okay, so you need to click on these buttons to get the training and all of my bonuses. Okay, so as you can see, some information, some testimonials here. So as you can see, this is the Clickbank daily sales snapshot. This is the Zebizu email for making any sales. This is the Zebizu sales letter, and these are the creators, these are the testimonials, sorry, these are the testimonials of this training, and I'll show you the course creator. Okay, so let's see the course creator. These are also testimonials. There are some bonuses also: Continuum, Launch Leader, Aura Pro, and Insurgency. These all courses you get in this bonus sections. Okay, and let's see the creator. So you will get maybe 30 days, yes, 30 days of money back guarantee. So you can use, you can take the training. If you find it not working at all, then you can return it. Okay, so these are the creator of this training. These are all successful affiliate marketers, so you can track their training and you can make a successful affiliate marketer life as your own. Okay, so let's see the prices of this training. Okay, so the front end price is only $13. So if you buy this front end of Oromode, you will get all of my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses also. And if you want to upgrade your software, so as you can see, Oromode Pro version, which is $27. So all the features in front end with plus addition features as follows. As you can see, get advanced training, so you will get advanced trainings in pro mode and proven converting done for you pages for your WordPress, extra multiple resources for your campaigns creations and campaigns promotions. Next one is OTO True, which is Oromode Auto Mode, which is $37. So you will get a 30 days or best converting swipes to put Oromode into autopilot. So you will get 30 days of rewrite done for you swipes. Okay, next one is Oromode done for you campaigns, which is $97. So you will get done for you page with review videos, product demos, and custom bonuses delivered. Get 2 done for you campaigns every week for a month, all ready to start your promotions. Next is OTO4 Oromode Unlimited Traffic, which is $97. Allow customers to put their pixels on our sales page and have a digital email list. So you can put your pixel on their sales page, so you will get thousands of buyers from their your pixels. Okay, next one is OTO5, which is Oromode reseller rights, which is $97. So you can resell this software and get 100% profit on your pocket. Okay, So as you can see, these are the upsells, and this is the course basically. So is I recommend this course if you are a beginner, if you want to build an affiliate marketing lifestyle, then this course is for you. Okay, so everything you need to learn the affiliate marketing process, the entrepreneurial process, you will get from here. So if you are a beginner, if you are a newbie, then definitely you will go with it, and all of my bonuses are there to helping you, and I am also there for you to help. Okay, so thank you guys, I hope you love the video, I hope you understand what Oromode is and what are the features of this training. And if you want to get it, then go the description, that the first link will be the bonus page link. Okay, so the bonus page link is in the description. You will click on the first link and you will redirect to here, and after that clicking on these buttons you are redirected to the sales page. Okay, if you love the video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the click button, and comment your thoughts about this training. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye.